Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Do you know about the importance of a good oral hygiene? What could happen if we have bad oral hygiene and how to avoid the consequences of it? So, is it actually necessary that we take good care of our oral health? Yes, it is actually essential to take good care of our oral hygiene and maintain its health, because it is one of the important parts of the body. Fundamental components of our health are also based on our dental and oral health. Oftentimes, people doesn't realize that they have a problem with their oral health, and they might experience disease such as cavities, gingivitis, periodontitis, oral cancer, sensitive teeth, etc., which can affect the other organs in the body. If those are left untreated for a long time, it can cause other complicated disease. Some can even cause cardiovascular disease, respiratory tract infection, and rheumatoid arthritis. One of the solutions to avoid these problems is by using tooth restoration. There are a few types of tooth restoration materials, such as resin composite, amalgam, and glass ionomer cement, or GIC. The material that can handle dental and oral disease is resin composite. Resin composite is commonly used in dentistry because it presents substantial benefits such as good aesthetics, especially for restoration in anterior teeth, durable, and has micromechanical bonding. On this occasion, I would like to present my research paper with the title, "The Perception of Dentistry Students Toward the Use of Resin Composite as a Restorative Material." The aim of this study is to find out about the knowledge of dentistry students of Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta about resin composite and their opinions of the use of it. This study also includes questions about comparing resin composite and other restoration materials to determine the perception of whether resin composite is worth using or not in dentistry students. This study evaluates two questions. The first one is how does the dentistry students perceive resin composite? And the second one is what is the dentistry students' view towards the ease of use of resin composite? Now, what is composite? Composite material is a combination of two or more materials in which the properties of each material contribute as a whole. It consists of anorganic polymer matrix, inorganic filler, coupling agent, and initiators. Composite resins can also be classified into multiple types, such as conventional composite resin or macrofills, composite resins made from small particle fillers or microfills, hybrid composite resins, and nanofilm composite. There are already several researches regarding the perception of resin composite. Based on a study conducted by Pani, Al-Abbasi, Al-Safan, Al-Sumaid, and Shakir in 2014, a majority of dentistry students, regardless of school type, prefers using resin composite, and it showed that most respondents agreed that it took less time to prepare a cavity for resin composite. In another study conducted by Enon, Oyapero, and Makanjuola in 2020, they explained that around 89% of dentistry students prefer, when choosing for the ideal resin composite shade, it is best done under natural light for easier determining. They also stated that shade matching should be determined in daylight or under standardized daylight lamps. For this study, we used the quantitative method by using a self-reported written questionnaire made with Google Form that was distributed to all students who agreed and voluntarily participate, with a total of 18 preclinical dental students as the participants. There are two phases in the questionnaire, including multiple choice questions and open-ended questions. The questionnaire was distributed by sending the Google Form link to WhatsApp group, and sharing the link to other social media such as Instagram. Next is the result. From the first chart, we know that most of the students, specifically 88.9% of dentistry students, agree that resin composite is an ideal material for restoring teeth based on its strength. There are also 11.1% of dentistry students who disagree that resin composite is ideal for tooth restoration. On the second pie chart, it shows that 72.20% of the participants agreed that resin composite is easier to apply than other restoration materials. On the other hand, there are 27.80% of participants who disagree that resin composite is easy to use. And for the last pie chart, shows that all of the participants agreed that it is important to compare the shades of resin composite when restoring teeth. And now we move to the next part, which is discussion. The result from the questionnaire showed that most of the students find resin composite as the most beneficial material for restoration based on its advantages, such as its durability, strength, biocompatibility, and ease of use. They also stated that resin composite has the best aesthetics, especially for the anterior teeth, which can majorly affect the patient's confidence. Other than that, all of them also agreed that it is important to choose the right shade of tooth color when using resin composite for tooth filling. In a study conducted by Kitasako, Sader, Nikaido, and Tagami in 2011, 14 out of 69 dentistry students repeatedly changed their restoration due to poor shade matching. The finding from our study proves that it is essential to correctly choose the right shade of resin composite. In another study conducted by Enon et al. In 2020, 89.5% of dental practitioners agreed that the maxillary central incisor was the ideal indicator in determining tooth shade as a representative of individual natural tooth shape. Other than that, the respondents in this study ranked amalgam as the strongest tooth filling material, followed by resin composite, and lastly GIC as the weakest material. This finding is supported with a study conducted by Pani et al. In 2014, where almost all of the dentistry students in government and private dental school believed that amalgam could not be completely replaced by resin composite. When using resin composite as a restorative material, dentistry students in Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta agreed that it is an ideal filling material to use for anterior teeth because of its excellence in aesthetics, ease of application, and biocompatibility. The students also stated that factors such as color shade, location of the cavity, resistance, strength, and ease of use as the important aspects in choosing the right restorative materials. The benefit of this study is we know that dental students should be given more information about restoration materials, especially regarding the correct time to use each material in different cases. It is necessary to increase their knowledge about resin composite to avoid mistakes when using the material in the future. From this study, it would be beneficial for dental students to gain more information regarding resin composite by searching for related journals and books from sources such as the internet or from libraries. They can also gain more knowledge by reading the materials from the lecturers of dentistry department in Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. That is all for my research paper presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.